Assalamualaikum sir, my name is Sumiya. My ID is 20115139114. It's our group presentation. Our presentation topic is computer network topology. At first, we need to know what network topology is. Network topology is the way a network is arranged, including the physical or logical description is how links and nodes are set up to relate to each other. The most common types of network topologies are bus topology, star topology, ring topology, mesh topology, tree topology, and hybrid topology. Bus topology. In bus topology, all devices shared a single connection line or cable. Both ends of the shared channel have line terminator. The data is sent in only one direction, and as soon as it reaches the extreme end, the terminator removes the data from the line. Bus topology may have problem while multiple hosts sending data at the same time. It is the easiest network topology for connecting devices in a linear fashion. It works very efficient well when there is a small network. It is easy to connect or remove device in this network, but there is some disadvantages of this topology. Bus topology is not great for the large network. If a main cable is damaged, a whole network fails or splits into two. Packet loss is high in this topology. The network topology is very slow as compared as other topologies. Star topology. All hosts in star topology are connected to a central device which is known as hub device using a point-to-point connection. That is, there exists a point-to-point connection between host and hub. The advantages of star topologies are: star topology is very reliable. If one cable or device fails, then all the others will still work. It is high performing as no data collisions can occur. Easier to put in and robust in nature. The disadvantages are it requires more cable than a linear bus. If the connecting network device fails, nodes attached are disabled and can't participate in the network communication. More expensive than bus topology. Extra hardware is required like hubs or switches, which is very costly. Ring topology. In ring topology, each host machine connects to exactly two other machines, creating a circular network structure. When one host tries to communicate or send message to the host which is not adjacent to it, the data travels through all intermediate hosts. To connect one more host in the exciting structure, the administrator may need only the more extra cable. It has also both advantages and disadvantages like other topologies. Advantages are there is no need to serve or control the connectivity. It is cheap to install and expand. Minimum collision and data transfer rate is very high in this type of topology, and it's very easy to manage. The disadvantages of this topology are if one workstation shuts down, it affects whole network goes down. It is slower in the performance as compared to the bus topology. It is expensive and difficult to troubleshoot the ring. Total depends on in one cable. The rest of the topic will be discussed by the other two members of my team. Thank you, sir.
Hello, sir. I am Aminul. My student ID is 20115141337. Today I am going to talk about mesh topology. A mesh topology is a network setup where each computer and network device interacted with one another. In topology, setup allows for most transmission to be distributed even if one connection goes down. It is a topology commonly used for wireless network. Here is a visual example of simple computer setup on a network using a mesh topology. There are two types of mesh topology, one of full mesh topology and other one is partial connected mesh topology. Full mesh topology. In a full mesh topology, every computer in the network has a connection each of the computers in a network. The number of connections in the computer can calculate using the following formula. This following formula is n into n minus 1 divided by 2. Here n is the number of computers. Partially mesh topology. In a partially connected mesh topology, at least two of the computers in a network have connection of multiple other computers in that network. It is an expensive way to implement in a network. If one of the primary computers or connection in network fails, the rest of network continue to operate normally. Some advantages of mesh topology. Failure during a single device will not break the network. There is no traffic problem. Fault identification is straightforward. This topology provides multiple paths to succeed in the destination and turns of this network. It provides high privacy and security. Data transmission is more conscious. A mesh does not have centralized authority. Disadvantage of mesh topology: it is so costly compared to other network systems. Noted star bus, point-to-point, star topology, etc. Installation process extremely difficult. It requires high power consume complex process. The cost is implement mesh is above other section. Now I am talking about tree topologies. Tree topology is a topology which is having a tree structure in which all computers connected like a branch which are connected with a tree. In a computer network, tree topology is called a combination of a bus and star topology. The main advantage of topologies are these are very flexible and also have better scalability. Tree network topology is considered to be simplest topology in a topologies which having only one route. The pattern connection combination a network in which branches spring from root hence. Advantages of tree topologies. The topology is combination of bus and star topologies. These topologies provide a differential as well as centered data arrangement of the node. As a leaf node can add one or more nodes, this topology provides high stability. The other nodes in a network affected if one their node damaged or not working. Point-to-point writing for individual segment. Some disadvantages of tree topologies. The network is very difficult to configure compared to other network. Length of segment and limitation is very high. In a computer first level error, next level computer will go under problem. Require large number of cable compared to other network. Treatment of topology is pretty complex.
Hello, my name is Durjoy and my ID is 201.15.4.35 and my presentation topic is hybrid topology. A network structure whose design contains more than one topology is said to be hybrid topology. Hybrid topology inherits merits and demerits of all the incorporation topologies. The above picture represents an hybrid topology. The combined topologies may contain attributes of star ring bus topologies. Most ones are connected by means of dual ring topology and network connected to them are mostly inter-topology networks. Internet is the best example of largest hybrid topology. Next come to conclusion. Hybrid topology is the best topology, I think, because it can support huge networks and comfortable to transfer data in between the different types of network. It helps to enhance the performance overall network due to its efficient and effective design layout. Its size easy can be scaled up with adding new network and other components without getting an any error design layout. Hybrid networks is developed as per need of small and large organization, and it offers great optimizations with available resources such as printers and more. Hybrid topology is combination of multiple network topologies, so it has great positive points because it can grab instances of both topologies, and finally it offers excellent topology. For example, it grabs the star and ring topology, then it can support both functionally and with effectively in hybrid star ring topology. It has great reliability due to its sub-networks. It has also great flexibility. It means you can anytime upgrade and downgrade as per the client need without disturbing its other functionality. Thank you. That's all for me.